Introducing Fine Line Repointing, a heritage building brick and stone restoration business, South Australia. Established by the current owner in 1987, Fine Line Repointing specialises in the restoration of old heritage buildings from paint stripping, cleaning stone, to replacement and matching veneers. With over 40 years of experience and expertise in the industry, their services are highly sought after for their quality workmanship and professional finishes. This reputation has guaranteed no shortage of work. The business can easily be operated from a home office space, and the sale includes all stock, tools, machinery, scaffolding, website, phone number, and website domain name. A builder's license is essential for a new owner, and bricklaying and plastering skills are an advantage. The business operates successfully by word of mouth and their recognisable sign-written truck and trailer, but there is the opportunity to maximise the business's exposure by engaging a social media presence. The current owner is selling due to health issues and has taken a step back from working in the business to working on the business. The business operates efficiently with experienced and reliable tradesmen who are all willing to stay on, and the current owner is also available for training and a smooth transition period to ensure continued success. This is a great opportunity for a builder to acquire his own business in a niche field, which will remain highly sought after, or add on to an existing business.